Hi, so I'm recording this video to display the questions that I have performed for my mid. So, so for the first part, I have to drop the database of CSDB that is already provided to us and install the newly freshly created database. So for that, I used the source command that is present here, uh, or yeah, maybe I can just show it as it is and then run the rest of the commands, because for that I have to drop the database again and then do all the tasks again. So I use this source command, added the salesdb file path, which has added all the rows to each table, that is executed the script for a schema. Then I have to find if it has worked well and all the rows have been fulfilled. So I use two things. I use the show tables command to see if the tables have been added. So yeah, so here is the show tables. It shows that customers, orders, and sales people have been added. Then I use the information schema tables to find if the rows are also populated. Information schema table is like a uh, global global value. It contains all the information regarding all the tables against each schema and the rows populated against them. So it has like general variable details. So here the table name and the table rows for the schema sales db. So it has shown that it has customers table with 7 rows, orders table with 10 rows, and sales table with 5 rows. So now coming to my first question that I have to attempt. So for that, I have to find all the customer name that has ordered the maximum amount, uh, that or the order for which has the maximum amount. So what I have used is a subselect statement. So first I calculated the maximum amount of order, then I calculated the customer number who has ordered that maximum amount, and then I found the customer name of that customer by matching it up with the customer number. So Clemens, I believe, is that customer. Now coming to the second part of the question, it has coming to the I believe that's the third question now. So in the third question, it has been asked to find the salesperson name who has handled the customers lieu and grass. So here I have used the inner join on the customers and orders table to find the salesperson number, salesperson ID who has handled the lieu customer or the grass customer, and then I have matched it up with the salesperson name in the sales num. So I believe Saris is the person that has ordered, that has handled the customers lieu and grass. Now coming to the question 4, I have to alter the table customers and add a column telephone number that has a prefixed area code. For that, in I have used the alter table command, and for adding a prefixed area code, the store procedure is as follows. Create store procedure. I have added the delimiter in order to execute the stored procedure, since stored procedure is a code block. So I have used this customer ID int 11 value using the by checking the attribute details from the customers table. So here I've called the stored procedure and I can see it. So here the issue that has occurred to me is that I have passed it as a string, but here I have it as a varchar. So in order to have the clear right value, I have to pass it as a string. So when I pass the phone number as a string, it has entered successfully. Now coming to the extra credit portion. So we have two extra credits. The first one has been to insert a customer value, insert a new row in the customers table. And the second has been to update all the customers that have, let me just check it. Yeah, so update the customers table so that both the customers in Rome are assigned to the salesperson with the number 1004. So here is the update. Customer sets sales number is equal to 1004 and city is equal to Rome, and here are its results. So here we have the customer present in Rome. They have now the sales number, salesperson as 1004. And I believe these are the answers to the mid, and yes, I believe these are the answers to the mid, and I hope to uh, learn more from the course now. Thank you.